give yourself plenty of time this morning.
Oh yeah, the snow's still coming down. In fact, it's coming down a little harder now here in the metro area. Here's a look from our roof cam, and you can see it coming down with a little bit of a breeze too, blowing it a bit sideways, but the wind a lot calmer than it was yesterday. Winds will pick up. It'll be a little blustery at times today, but it won't be as windy, thank goodness, as what we've seen over the past couple of days. And get ready for slick roads. The snow has been coming down for a while now because of the warmer days that we've been having over the past few days. The roads will take a little while to get icy, but you get on those bridges and overpasses, and keep in mind it doesn't take very long at all for those to get icy. And with this snow continuing to come down like it is, even the roads themselves could start to get to that point. Right now, at the freezing mark exactly at the Sunport. Winds are nice and light, humidity at 88%. So still a lot of moisture to work with, and this band is settled in over the metro area, and we're going to continue with that potential for more snow as we head through much of this morning. Here's a look at what's happening on the radar, and you can see the snow band it develops southwest of us up through Los Lunas, Albuquerque, Bernalillo into Santa Fe, and it's really not moving anywhere. So what's happening is basically you have these snow showers that continue to redevelop over and over and over again, bringing us a burst of heavier snow and then some lighter snow here and there, but just not going away altogether at all. And that's going to be what we have to deal with for much of the morning. And meanwhile, down the southeast, we're just starting to get things going here with snow developing in the Sacramento Mountains. Roswell starting to get that snow too, Hagerman, Artesia, and we're going to see more widespread stuff out across eastern New Mexico as we head through the day. So this is only the beginning for you. Meanwhile, across the central part of the state, once we get through the first half of the day, things are going to kind of settle down with things clearing out from west to east. Here's a closer look at the radar with Albuquerque, and you can see in the deeper blues, this is where we have some of the heavier snow, and it has gotten a bit heavier over the downtown area, west side too, and then especially as you get into the heights and the foothills up along I-25 toward Bernalillo. Very, very heavy snow has been coming down for a while now here, and that's going to mean difficult driving conditions for you on the roads there. So be careful. Visibilities could be reduced in addition to the snow coming down. So Santa Fe just getting nailed, and also Pecos. Here's how things will play out for Albuquerque. Mostly cloudy skies for most of the day. It will be a cold day today. Temperatures struggling to get much above the freezing mark. We'll stay in the low 30s through 9 o'clock. Keeping that potential for on and off snow through the 9 a.m. hour. And then as we go into the afternoon, the storm system is going to linger, so things may quiet down for a little while, but there'll still be the possibility here and there we could get a brief snow shower or two. And then this afternoon, we will start to clear things out from west to east, and temperatures will plummet tonight very quickly. A wider look at what's happening, and back across western New Mexico up in the Four Corners, things are finally starting to kind of clear out for you, and that's going to be the case as we go through the day. There still may be a few showers that develop very spotty here and there, but the focus for now is going to be across central, and then the development that's going to head across eastern New Mexico, with things not clearing out for the east until overnight tonight. Here's how it'll play out. Superstorm track showing the showers are developing across central, northern, and eastern New Mexico down into the Sacramento Mountains as of right now. You get towards 9:30 here, and look at that. We're still talking snow coming down across the central mountain chain, the central part of the state. Albuquerque still potentially getting that snow, eastern New Mexico too, and down in the southeast, we're still talking more snow, though we could mix it in with a little bit of rain as temperatures try to bump up a little bit. But overall, we're going to be talking a wintry mix and more snow for the southeast as well as we go into the afternoon. Still scattered snow across central and eastern New Mexico, but Albuquerque will start to gradually clear things out for the afternoon. And then by this evening, the focus will be for the central mountain chain and out east, and that's where we'll continue with those snow showers through the early part of the night, clearing out overnight tonight. Winter storm warnings in effect still for our northern mountains, over in the far northeast highlands, east central parts of the state, all that highlighted in pink that goes through this evening. And then winter weather advisories in blue, that's Albuquerque back to the west and much of southeast New Mexico now. That goes through this evening too, though again, things are going to be clearing out from west to east as we go through the day. Wind speeds right now a little breezier out toward the east, and that's making it feel bitterly bone-chilling cold. 4 degrees below zero is what it feels like in Clayton, 2 below in Las Vegas, and 2 below over in Alamosa. As far as the weekend goes, another storm system is going to head our way that could bring in more snow across northern and central New Mexico, and it's going to bring an even colder blast of air. Your forecast for southern Colorado, mostly cloudy. We may see a stray snow shower here and there, but things gradually clearing out with more snow on the way for the weekend. Highs in the 20s, lows below zero. Your forecast for the northwest, and we're looking at highs today in the upper 20s and 30s, down to 10 degrees tonight in Farmington. Any snow that we see will be very spotty across the western part of the state. Southwest, a little snow at times, temperatures in the 40s and 50s. Silver City topping out at 45, and then It gets even colder for the weekend down in the southeast. Snow will continue to develop. It could mix in with a little rain here and there, but expect mainly icy conditions here with highs only in the 20s and low 30s. So not warming up from where you are at all. More snow in the forecast for the weekend. Northeast New Mexico. Snow will continue to develop. It'll get a little heavier as we go through the day, clearing out overnight with lows tonight in the single digits. It is going to be a bitterly cold one in the northern mountains with highs struggling to get out of the teens and 20s, and then taking a big dive tonight. Santa Fe continuing with the heavy snow this morning. It'll start to taper off as we go into the afternoon. Your forecast for the East Mountains, highs in the 20s and low 30s with snow in the forecast through the day today. It'll be heaviest right now, but we could continue to see it linger through the early part of the afternoon. Metro area, upper 30s with the potential for some more snow as we go through the morning and early part of the day, and then that clears out. This weekend, more cold moving in, and the chance for snow returns again on Sunday.
Okay, thank you, Kristen. Coming up on 5:54, a real quick check of what's going on around the state. Anything in yellow, snow-packed and icy. That includes I-25 near Santa Fe and anywhere north to Colorado. Also I-40 as you go east and west out of Albuquerque.
All right, we'll be right back. Stay there.